My name is Grace. I am 60 years old, but most people think I am 40. They look at me and say, "You don't look your age at all." I always smile and say, "It's not magic. It's just the way I live." Let me tell you something. I don't go to the gym. I've never liked loud music or big machines. My gym is right outside my kitchen door, my garden. Every morning I tie up my hair, put on my old boots, and walk into the garden. The soil smells fresh. The birds are already singing. I pull weeds, carry water, plant vegetables, and dig the earth with my hands. That's how I move my body. That's how I keep strong. People think you need expensive things to stay young, but I just need sunlight on my face, dirt on my hands, and fresh air in my lungs. I grow tomatoes, beans, spinach, and carrots. I pick them with care and cook simple meals. That food fills my belly and warms my heart. I don't use fancy creams. I wash my face with water, pat it dry, and smile at my reflection. That smile is my best skincare. Some evenings I sit on my porch with a cup of tea. I watch the sky change colors. I breathe slowly. I listen to the world. That peace keeps me young too. You want to know my secret? I'll tell you. I move with joy. I eat with love. I sleep with peace. And I smile every day. A young heart lives in a happy life. That's my truth. And maybe, just maybe, that's why at 60, I feel like I'm just getting started. Sometimes when people visit, they ask, "Grace, don't you get tired?" I laugh. Of course I do, but it's a good kind of tired, the kind that comes after doing what you love. I don't rush through my days. I take my time. I talk to my flowers like they are old friends. I hum little songs when I bake bread. I dance a little when no one's watching. Once, my neighbor Sarah, who is only 42, said, "Grace, I feel older than you." I touched her hand and said, "Maybe you need to slow down, breathe more, worry less." She looked at me, her eyes soft. "How do you not worry?" I told her the truth. I used to worry about everything: money, wrinkles, time. But then I realized worry doesn't stop life. It only makes it heavier. I remember one day clearly. I had just turned 55. I looked in the mirror and saw a gray hair, just one. I smiled at it. "You came to visit," I whispered. "You're welcome to stay." Now I have many gray hairs. They shine in the sun like silver threads. I wear them with pride. Each one is a story, a laugh, a tear, a lesson. I walk every evening just around the block. I say hello to the trees. I wave at the children playing. The world feels kinder when you walk slowly. At night, I write in my journal just a few lines, something like the tomatoes are turning red, or the rain sounded like music today. These small things matter. So if you ask me how to stay young, I'll say this: live with heart, use your hands, eat what you grow, hug often, rest when you are tired, smile without a reason. And remember, beauty is not in how you look, it's in how you live. Because I may be 60, but inside I still feel like the girl who first planted a seed and waited for the flower to bloom. Now I wonder, how about you? Are you happy with your age? Do you feel young in your heart? Or do you wish something was different? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please share in the comments, how old are you and what helps you feel alive, strong, or beautiful every day.